As you all guys know that because of lack of time, I had to cut my speech short and I couldn't put forward my vision in front of you all. But now through the electronic media, as I had promised in my speech, that through the electronic media, I will put forward my vision. So these are my vision. The first vision is for the safety and security of the girls in the campus as well as in the hostels. As you all know, in ladies hostel too, every year there is some robbery of the smartphones from the room itself by breaking the doors and windows. When I was in the first year, it happened. In my room only, in my room itself, the phone was robbed. And this year also I have heard that in ladies hostel too there is some robbery. So for that I will put forward in front of the authority that the locks of the doors and windows must be repaired correctly with the new kind of secure kind of locks. I will ask the authority, I will put forward this problem in front of the authority to place a CCTV camera in front of the ladies hostel too. And there is no inverter and generator in our campus in any of the hostel. So in every ladies hostel, I will ask the authority to install at least inverter if feasible. And if feasible, generator can also be installed. And I will put forward this in front of the authority. In some hostels, in some ladies hostels, there are geysers, but they are non-functional. I will try to make them functional. And we all know that the library timing has been extended till 10 p.m. but the in time is still up to 5:30 p.m. at the ladies hostel too, and in many other hostels in time is only up to 8 p.m. So for that I will try to put forward this in front of the authority to extend the in time of the ladies hostels. Of course, no? I will fix the Wi-Fi situation in every ladies hostels. As there is lots of space in AMC campus, I will at least propose to construct a new girls hostel in the AMC campus. And washing machines are actually a necessity in every hostels. And although it seems unrealistic, but at least I can put a first step in this vision, and so that in near future this can be a reality. And please vote for me. My name is Alima Akhtar. I am from 7th semester. I am contesting for the post of ladies representative. Thank you all.